Guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Toby Wonder. I'm the CEO and founder of Mainstream Academy. And basically, in this video, I'll be discussing with you guys a topic related to the big market fall that happened in the crypto market recently. So obviously, I know it's no longer any news that the crypto market did a major fall, and most of the coins dropped their value by much. But one particular coin that actually did a massive fall and went away with a lot of investors' money is the Luna Terra Classic. Okay, and now it's called the Luna Terra Classic now because we have a better version of it, which is now the Luna Terra 2.0. But initially, this coin was actually just Luna Terra. But with the invention of the Luna 2.0, they had to rename this particular coin to the Terra Luna Classic. Now, with that said, I want you guys to know this information. Okay, so as at March, May, this coin was still selling for above $100 and above $50 as of March or May. Okay, and all of a sudden, currently, as you can see on my screen right now, this coin is selling for as low as 0.00006155. Okay, this is literally below $1. So how does a coin move from being sold at over $115 to being sold for 0.000615 within a period of about just like 2-3 weeks? Okay, this is exactly what I'm going to show you guys right now, and I'm going to give you guys an idea of how much of investors' money has actually gone down with this particular project. But with that said, let's go down to the chart. So I'm on coinmarketcap.com right now, and this is one of the most relevant websites to get crypto data and crypto information. Okay, so it's coming down to the chart right here. I'll put you guys on a 3 months time frame, and then give you guys an idea of what this market was actually selling for before the market actually came all the way down. Okay, so coming right here, you could see that as at 4th of 5th 2022, this same year, this particular coin was still being sold for over $116 per unit with a maximum volume of about 2.5 billion circulation in the market. All right, but right now, let's come all the way down to this chart. You can see how this market started falling. Okay, as I May, this market started doing this massive fall. Okay, you can see it was coming down all the way to 70, all the way to $61, all the way to $50, $20. It still kept coming down. Okay, came all the way to $1, and then it still came all the way down to what we have right now. So you can imagine all this movement happened in less than a month. Okay, for a market that was actually the fourth most largest cryptocurrency available in the market, came all the way down to literally less than $1. Okay, so you really have no idea how much of investors' money has actually gone down with this project. Okay, so now let's ask ourselves, how much do you think investors actually lost, as in investors globally, investors worldwide, lost trading this particular coin? Let me know in the comment section. But then I want to share with you guys how much I actually lost trading this particular coin, because literally I have no data to validate how much of the investors' money has actually gone down. I have no accurate data to validate how much of investors' money was lost on this particular coin. But I can share with you guys how much of money I actually lost on this particular coin, because I also got onto this project at a point when the market was crashing. But then let me show you guys. So I'm coming down to my Binance.com app. Okay, now my Binance.com, I will take you guys to my wallet, okay, and show you guys how much of this particular coin per unit I have in my crypto wallet, and then take you guys to my calculate how much of money I have lost on this particular coin. Okay, so now coming down to my wallet right here, okay, I'm going down to my funding wallet, because at the point Binance listed this coin from their platform. So I had to move this coin from spot wallet directly to my, to my funding wallet, just to keep the coin in case it comes back up, which I don't think is going to come back up right now. But let's see what happens in the next couple of months, or maybe in the next couple of years. Okay, so now you guys can see this is how much of Luna I have in my wallet right now. I have over 1,193 units of Luna in my wallet right now, and it is only being valued for around $0.07. You can imagine how much that was. Okay, but now let me now pull up my calculator, calculate this coin as I when it was at its peak, how much it was valued for, and then give you guys an estimation of how much it was valued for when I actually bought the coin. Okay, because I actually did not buy this coin when it was at its peak. Okay, guys, so now let me pull out my calculator right here. Okay, this is my calculator right now. I'm using the Mac PC, so it's very easy for me to do all this by just swiping my hands. Okay, so now let me take you guys back to CoinMarketCap and show you guys exactly the value of this coin as at this period. So on the 4th or 5th this same year, this coin was being sold for over $117. So let's use this as an entry point to calculate how much of dollars this particular coin was actually worth. I mean, the particular coin inside my wallet right now is actually worth. Okay, so bringing back my calculator, let's do 117 times 1193. Okay, so that is a whooping $139, $139,000 581. Okay, so this is how much of money the particular coin inside my wallet right now was worth as at this period. Okay, as at when it was being sold for 117. Okay, it was actually worth $139.58 thousand. Okay, but now I actually did not buy this coin when it was at its peak. I actually bought this coin when the market was crashing. Okay, so I bought this coin when the market was below $3. Okay, because as at that point I felt like, okay, the market was at $3 right now, and then there's high tendency it might actually go back up to $6 or $9, and then I can actually take profit and come off the trade. But okay, the market didn't actually come back to $6, so I ended up losing my money. So let's calculate. So with that number, let's calculate that number with $3 right now, so you guys can have an idea of how much I lost as a small investor. Okay, not even as a big investor. So you can literally have like get a perception of how much people who actually invested big into this particular project must have lost. But let's calculate mine. Okay, so coming back to my calculator right now, I bought when the market was around $3. So obviously, let's say $3 times 1,193, and let's see what that equals. So that equals $3,579. Okay, so it's not that big, but it's a lot of money to lose on a particular coin. You get me? So basically, this is how much of losses went down when this market crashed. And even till now, a couple of buyers, a couple of investors have still been optimistic that this market could actually do a recovery, which I'm hoping it does, so I could actually like take out my money and use it to do some other businesses or stuff. You get me? Or invest in another coin entirely. But this was one of the biggest market fall that I've witnessed in my entire career trading the crypto market. Okay, so with that said, let me now show you guys some other interesting topic, which is the Lunar Terra 2.0. So obviously, the founder of Lunar Terra, Do Kwon, actually invested another actually created or invented another new project which he said was going to succeed the Terra Luna Classic. And this particular project was launched on the 28th of May this same year as a way of trying to salvage a couple of situations for the Terra Luna Classic. Okay, and this particular project is not doing well right now, and that's what I'm going to show you guys right now on my chart. So now coming back to this chart, this is the chart for Terra Luna 2.0. Okay, so now I want you guys to pay attention to this. The current price of this particular coin is selling for 3.47 per dollar per unit. Okay, but then let me show you guys how much this particular coin was valued for on introduction. This coin is less than a month and it has done a massive fall already. So I really don't understand what is going on with Dokwan and what is going on with the Terra Luna community. Okay, but let's get on to the chart. Okay, so coming back to the chart, I'll put you guys on a 3-month time frame so you guys can see what is happening from the beginning to the end. So it's a lot of red lines for me. I mean, I feel like it's too much of red lines for me for a brand new project. I mean, a project that is as well as brand new is meant to kick up and then take off. But this is actually coming all the way down, and this obviously shows that investors are losing their money as well. Okay, so now let me take you guys here to the entry point. As I when this coin was being launched, it was being sold for over $19 per unit. And right now it is selling for $3.47 per unit. So you guys can see what is really going on, and then you get to have like an idea of what is going on with the Terra Luna community. So I really don't know what is going to happen to this coin in the next couple of years. But personally, I don't think I want to invest my money in this coin now. But I don't know about the future. But right now, I don't want to invest my money in a brand new coin that is falling. I mean, this coin was being created as a way to make up for the massive fall that happened with the Terra Luna and for the massive loss that investors actually made investing on the Terra Luna. But instead of actually trying to get investors a bit of profit, I feel like it's doing investors more damage than good. Okay, so I really don't understand what is going on with this particular coin right now, but let's see. Let's keep to it. Let's keep at it. Let's keep checking it out. Let's keep watching it, and let's see how this coin moves in the next couple of months. So with that said, guys, this is basically like a perception, or this is meant to give you like a perception of how much of money global investors have actually lost on just this particular coin, which is the Terra Luna Classic, because it did a massive fall. All right, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section about like how much of investors' money has gone down with this project, and let's talk about it. And then I'll show you guys in my next video something new that has to do with this same Terra Luna 2.0, and share with you guys what I think is the possible future for this particular coin. So with that said, my guys, thank you so much for sticking around out to the end of the video. And if you like my kind of content, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, so every single time I make a post, you get to see my post first. And thank you so much, and it's a pleasure having you on the channel.